lawyers, this is a three-part series about utilizing artificial intelligence and avatars for a variety of video styles to save you lots of time and money. This episode is how to use avatars for Facebook video ads to meet new clients. There's 3 ways to work with us. Our agency does it all for you, coaching, and self-study courses. Finding the time to think about marketing and videos and all that kind of thing is hard. When you have cases to think about, I totally understand. But the best time to think about your next steps is when you're busy. I've been testing software to make law firm marketing and management cheaper and easier. In this 3-part series, I'm talking about how to use avatars for your videos. This episode is law firms using video avatars for Facebook ads. What you'll find out in this episode is what could go wrong when law firms use avatars on Facebook ads, the benefits of avatars with Facebook ads, and how much you'd pay for an avatar for your Facebook ads. But first, a quick introduction. I've produced over 10,000 law firm videos in all different styles. Having a video is easy, but having a video that reaches or surpasses your goals is not so easy. While my marketing agency does everything related to signing new clients and streamlining your practice,
where'd they find this guy?
I think that I'm best known for video production, not only from directing so many thousands of videos and building video studios in law firms, but as the marketing agency tracking the data that proves that the videos reached their goals. And marketing, when done correctly, is a fabulous investment. So let's jump into this subject. Law firms find remarkable success when they're willing to create a lot of video to get them that many hundreds of clients on Facebook. But when you're on camera, you need the right wardrobe, makeup, you want to be at your best, you don't want to be in a mood or have a bad attitude. There's crew and gear and studio and post-production, editing, uploads, downloads, embed codes. It's a lot of time, talent, and effort. What can go wrong with law firms using avatars with Facebook ads? You must understand before you get started that avatars on video for law firms are brand new. Literally a few weeks ago, it did not exist. No one has the data about how these videos will perform on Facebook ads yet. Avatars, they can be stiff. I've been playing around with it. Their inflections might not be right, or they definitely are not as emotional as a real person. They might pause or nod their head in a way that doesn't work. And at times, this has been true even when I hire actors. So without further ado, let's see my sample of an artificial intelligence avatar reading a script.
Getting injured is scary. Getting the right lawyer matters. Download a free ebook called How to Hire an Injury Lawyer and find out why experience matters. You only have one chance to get it right.
Lastimarse da miedo. Obtenga un libro electrónico gratuito llamado Cómo contratar a un abogado de lesiones y descubra por qué es importante la experiencia. Tienes una oportunidad de hacerlo bien.
Yep, that's not even a real person. Email me with your thoughts. I'd love to hear what you think about this. What are the benefits of using an avatar on Facebook video ads? Most importantly, in order to send follow-up ads, you need the video data. The audio is stellar, and your avatar speaks Spanish. With most practice areas, clients are on the fence, and receiving a series of educational follow-up video ads from your law firm is extremely valuable to them, and it's extremely valuable to you because that's what helps them off the fence and brings in a great client. But law firms find that Facebook denies lawyer ads every day. I go through it all the time. Reshooting video is expensive, it's time consuming, and it kind of takes the steam out of your project when you have to go back and reshoot. Now, with avatars, you don't need to reshoot if scripts trigger a Facebook algorithm and denies your ads. There's no video to shoot. It's all in the software, and your avatar is always ready with hair and makeup, lighting, and wardrobe. How much should a law firm pay for an avatar to use with their Facebook ads? First of all, with Facebook ads, I want you to start with a small budget and then work your way up as you find success. You can learn how with my handbook, How to Grow a Personal Injury Law Firm in 2022, or with my Facebook Masterclass for a whole variety of practice areas. If you're interested in video avatars, we'll create them for you based on our successful track record. It's $3.99 monthly. We write the scripts, brand the videos for your law firm, and at first we're going to send you 10 videos at once because I know that you're going to need all of them for following up. But then it'll be 3 videos a month thereafter, and that ends up being $159 per video. So let's recap. How do you use avatars for Facebook video ads to meet new clients? Creating many follow-up ads is crucial for Facebook ad campaign success. And with AI, we can inexpensively and quickly create and recreate all the videos you need. In next week's video, episode 2, I'm sharing how law firms can use artificial intelligence videos for email automation to meet new clients. Your avatar can work for you 24/7 while you go back to practicing law. Reach out with your questions, inspiration, or ideas anytime by emailing me. My name is Mary Cary, and my email address is mary@gomediamarketing.com. Here's to your success.